How to fix photos disappearing issue in Oppo Reno 14f. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now click on app management and scroll down, and here you can see the photos app. Now click on photos and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of photos app. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and open photos. Now click on albums. Now scroll down and click on recently deleted. Now here you can see all the recently deleted photos or videos, and here you can also recover or delete all. After that, go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.